All right, let's unbox some.
Let's see what's in this box. So this is a box we got shipped to the library. And I hear it comes from, do we want to say where it comes from?
Sure.
Folkmanis.
Oh.
Ooh, that means it's puppets.
Puppets. New puppets.
New puppets. Okay, and these are puppets for story time, right?
Yes.
We do story times and stays and plays. And, let's take a look here. Okay.
Who's inside?
Okay. Oh wow. Okay, and this is something you wanted, Carson.
Yeah.
It's a hippo. Oh. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh.
What's that?
This is a bleeding sheep puppet. Oh, it's soft. This one's super soft. Let's see. And then, oh, look at that.
Aww.
There's it says squeeze me. Do you want to?
Oh, well, yeah.
You want to try that?
You want me to do it?
Let's see. Yeah. Get it out. We've got two of them. One for here at Maine.
Nice.
It's a snail.
Snaily.
Snaily.
A new snaily.
A new snaily. So for all of you who went to Marie Scholl's story times with Bradley, remember Snaily. And now we've got one for Maine and Marie Scholl's. There's still more in this box. Yeah. There's a lot more in this box. Oh, and speaking of things that come in and out, we've got a hat.
Nice.
But if I go into this hat, who's in there? A rabbit in the hat. You can do like a whole peekaboo thing with that.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a little one.
He's so cute. I want to pet.
You want to pet that one? The baby black bear is called.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, we've been needing a little bear.
Yeah.
What is this one? I think this is another one that was going to Marie Scholl's.
Yeah,
oh,
I think so.
This is a porcupine. Oh, there's some little tinies. What's in this little tiny? Is it open? Oh, we should mention that we got these wholesale. So we got them for 50% off. We got them wholesale. So we've got a little
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird right there. Oh, we do have a frog. Oh, I shouldn't tell you this is a frog.
Oh,
good frog songs.
Lots of good frog songs.
Oh, here's one I have at my house just for my own.
Oh.
This one's called Little Turtle Puppet. The final puppet we have in here. I love this one. Check that out. This is a river otter puppet. I love the whiskers. I think this one's going to Marie Scholl's
too. Yeah.
And I think
is that it?
That's our puppets. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. So I'm really excited to use these in story time.
Yeah.
Yeah.